Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're planning to come to the UK for January 2025 intake, then this video is for you. Now, many of you will be confused. Should we go through consultancy or we can do it by ourselves? Many consultancy won't provide full information and proper information on time, which can cause a problem at the later stage, which I have also faced. So that is why I'm making this video for you guys to make it easier for your application process. Many of you will be confused that what are the documents is required and how much time it will take for the process, how to apply for the university, and how to book an accommodation, which scene is good, and after coming to the UK, what are the application is required for your daily life, and much more. So I'm going to divide all these details into the parts. Different parts will be there in my video, so it will be easier for you guys to understand. You can directly watch the video which covers the specific information you need. Moving forward, in this video, I will only talk about the required document for your process. So the first document is your passport and it should have a valid date. So the second document is your transcripts. For example, you're coming for your master's. So all the previous transcripts documents you have to show, such as 10th, 12th, graduation mark sheets. Now the main point here is, for example, you have taken a year gap after your graduation and now you're coming for your master's, and you took that year gap maybe for your work purpose or you have done some course. So you have to present the relevant document for that year gap also, whether it is for 1 year, 2 year, you have to show the year gap documents as well. As you all know that UK is English speaking country, so you have to show the proof that you can understand English, you can read and write English. When somebody is having a conversation with you, you are able to understand what they are saying. So you have to take a test which is called as IELTS test. And now if I'll talk about the bands, IELTS bands differ and it depends on the university and which course you are taking. For me, I'm studying in University of Hertfordshire. For my course, only 6 band was required, and it depends on the other university. Some need 6.5, 7, 7.5. It depends on the course as well. So the next document is LOR, letter of recommendation, which you will get from your university where you have completed your graduation, or maybe from your school. If you are coming for graduation, you will get it from your school. And this you can take it from your dean, from your professor or principal, anyone. Now the next document is your CV, which should be updated with all your contact details, address, email ID, mobile number, whatever studies you have done, whatever the year gaps you have, everything should be mentioned there. If you have worked, that work details should be mentioned in the CV. It should be updated. Now the next and the most important document is SOP, which is statement of purpose. And why we need this is, university should know why you are coming here to study. What is the purpose of your study? Is that course is relevant to the background course you have done previously in your graduation or any other thing? So that is why SOP is very important. And the formats for LOR and SOP you will get easily in Google if you search. And if you directly want my LOR and my SOP, the format, if you want to check, you can directly message me in my Instagram page. I have already mentioned here my Instagram ID. I can provide you my LOR and SOP format. Now when you're coming UK for your studies, of course you have to show the fund in your bank account for student fees and accommodation fees. And for that also, what are the documents is required, I'm gonna cover in my next video, along with for example, someone else is paying behalf of you for your student fees or your accommodation fees. For example, your blood relation, your parents are paying. So for them also, what are the documents is required, I'm gonna cover in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.